Hey there, my friends. It's me. It's Handyman Hal. Well, Kazoo Handyman Hal. That's right. Handyman Hal and Kazoo Farm. This is awesome. Today, we're at Kazoo Factory in Beaufort, South Carolina. And we're going to have an absolutely awesome time learning all about kazoos, how they're made, how they work, and we're going to hear some really interesting sounds. Oh yeah, come on, let's go. Oh wow, do you know what a kazoo is? It's actually a musical instrument. Oh, well, you know, there's all kinds of cool musical instruments that we play. Let's see. Oh, we got the piano that we play with our fingers. Oh, guitars. We strum like that. Oh, and drums that we get to beat with drumsticks. But you know how to use this? You actually get to use your mouth. Oh, and you hum, or you sing, or you talk into it. See? Oh, and it makes a really cool sound. Oh, well, today we actually get to learn how these are made. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Come on, let's go have some fun.
Are you ready? This one is loud. All done.
Here at Kazooby, you actually get to make your own kazoo. And they have so many different colors to choose from. What color would you choose? Let's see, we've got green in here. Oh, we've got purple, we've got white and yellow, pink and orange. Oh, I like this one. Check it out. It's a bright yellow. Oh, and it actually says, I visited the Kazoo Museum. That's great. We got this part. Ooh, we should choose the top here. Let's see. All kinds of cool colors in there too. Ooh, how about blue? Let's see, we've got that. And now we need one of these. It's a really, really important piece. Can you see it? Oh, it's really tiny. Oh, so this actually goes on the top right here. It's gotta be put in there precisely. Oh, just like that. The cap goes on here, I think. Oh, and then right here, watch. Oh, wow. Oh, let's try it. Oh, wow, it works. Oh, the factory's right around the corner. Maybe we can go see how these are made. They make a lot of them. Come on, let's go. Oh, my friends, we're here at the assembly station. Oh, and this is where they make the kazoos. Oh, here at Kazooby, they actually make 1 million kazoos a year. Oh, that's a lot of kazoos. Oh, and they make 5,000 a day. Wow. Oh, and this is where it all starts, right here. They've got some really cool tools, like this one. This one is a hole punch. Oh, and this is what it punches holes in. This right here. This is polyethylene plastic. Oh, and this is some really cool material because this is what they use to make a kazoo last a long time. Oh, it can be washed and then it can be air dried and it doesn't collect bacteria. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. Also, let's see here. We've got it inside there. Yep, and we got to get it lined up perfectly. Now, this is a hole punch that actually works off of pneumatics, which is air. So, we actually got to get it in there and hit the button a lot of times. Here we go. Just like that right there. Oh, wow. Did you see that? Oh, see? We've made a bunch of holes. Oh, that's great. Oh, let me show you what it does. See? Right here. Can you see it? It's a piece of plastic. Oh, and this actually has a really cool name. This is called a resonator. And this is what goes inside of the kazoo. Oh, come on, let me show you. Oh, check this out. Wow, and this is where the person actually assembles the kazoo. Might need to take off my gloves first. Let's see here. Let's take that one off. Let's take this one off. Oh, perfect. All right, because I've got to make sure that all of these little resonators are separated. All right, so, oh look, it's two of my favorite colors. We've got orange and blue. So now, let's make three of them. Okay, so we've got the base. Let's put a resonator in there. Oh, there we go. Set our cap on. Base, resonator. Oh, come on. There we go. And one more. Let's see. Oh, kind of hard to hold on to. There we go. All right, we've got three of those put together. Now we just got to put it in the capper. Here we go. Oh, there's one. There's two. Oh. And there's three. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. We made kazoos. Oh, wow. Oh, do you know what this is? This is an amazing tool called a heat press. And this is where they actually customize the kazoo, right? Oh, right up underneath here is a plate that's 590 degrees. Oh, and they have a die right there that actually can put all kinds of different shapes, different names, and pictures on a kazoo. Oh, wow. Well, so let's try one. We've got a green kazoo here. What we have to do is we have to slide it right into the holder for it. Oh, be careful not to touch the plate. You have to be really, really safe. We're gonna stick our fingers in these two buttons, and it's gonna come down really, really quick. And it's gonna make an imprint on the kazoo. Are you ready? Watch, here we go. Oh, wow. Check it out. Oh, that's amazing. It's even got their logo on there. Oh, you know, there's so many cool things that you could do with a kazoo. Oh, well, I wonder what I would do. I wonder how I would customize it. Check these out. They even make kazoo people. Oh, they're great. Oh, that one looks like Santa Claus. Oh, they even got mini kazoo people. That's really, really cool. Oh, wow. My friends, you look great. Wow, look at these kazoos. Oh, looks like all kinds of different companies use kazoos too. Oh, and look, there's one that looks like a saxophone too. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, these are awesome. Wow, my friends, this is so awesome. Learning all about the kazoo. So we made a few, but do you know how the kazoo works? Well, there is the base of the kazoo, and then the cap. And inside the cap is the resonator. And that is what vibrates when you hum, sing into the kazoo. Oh yeah. Hey, I know someone here at Kazooby who knows all about playing the kazoo. Oh, wow. This museum is amazing. There's so many cool things in here. Oh, and it looks like it's got a pretty good history too. Got this really cool timeline here. 1884, 1920s, the 30s, the 50s, the 60s. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, and look, it's my friend. This is Miss Sarah Barnwell. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. She actually works here in the museum. Oh, so tell me, where did the kazoo come from? What's its history?
Well, we used to think that the kazoo came from two gentlemen named Alabama Vest and Thaddeus Von Clegg. But we did some research and we found out that the kazoo has been around for a long time, and it came from ancient times where tribes would take things like bone and gourd and hollow them out and use things like leather, intestines, or even the egg sac of a spider has been found inside of these guys. So it's actually really old.
Wow, that's pretty interesting, right? Well, you know, there's all different kinds of kazoos, right?
There are tons of different types of kazoos. And when we change the material and the style of the kazoo, we change our sound a little bit.
Oh, sound. Well, maybe we actually can play with a few of them?
Absolutely, let's go do that.
Oh, come on, let's go. All right, well, Miss Sarah, I've got this kazoo right here. This is kind of cool, right? And that's pretty cool, but you got some really cool things here. So can you tell me what this is?
These are all of my different types and examples of kazoos that we have here when you visit us at the Kazoo Factory.
Oh,
and
cool.
we'll go over all of these instruments with you. So I have my kazoo, which you've got to hum, sing, or talk to make this work because it's merlotone, so it needs vibration. So I'm going to say hello into my kazoo. And I get my kazoo sound.
That's cool.
And then we went a little further. We put a horn on our kazoo, and now we call it a wazoo. Then
wow.
we took a bugle bell that goes on the end. Now I got a wazoogle. And if I take this off, I've got a kazoogle. But kazoos, they started out a lot more like this. This is my 10 kazoo, and this is made by the Clark Company, and they're in the UK. They're the oldest kazoo makers.
Wow.
And this is more traditional. It's just molded tin, and they're going to use a material you're going to replace after a bit. But when I change what the kazoo is made of, I'm going to change my sound.
Oh, wow, that's great.
I've got my Woodstock, and these guys are out of Eden, New York, and they've been around since 1915.
That one's kind of cool looking too. Oh, wow, that's a little bit softer.
It is a bit softer one. And this one, I love this one. This is my fancy kazoo, my special kazoo. And this is plated in 24 karat gold.
Oh, wow. Wow, those are really nice.
But you can also have kazoos made out of other materials. This is my wooden kazoo.
Ooh.
And this is using recycled plastic. This uses grocery bags. Lots of people are using grocery bags today for merlotone instruments because you can take it out and wash it and reuse it and cut it out to the size and shape that you need.
Oh, here we go. You're really, really talented with these.
I have a lot of hot air. And now I've got my barrel kazoo. And the wildly noisy wooden thing. And this one, I always encourage adults to buy for kids, but as long as they don't live with you or near you.
That one was amazing. I think I really like that one.
I've got my Kazobo, and this guy's been around for over 100 years, and it's got a really long horn, a resonator on each side, and you place your mouth right on top.
Whoa! Wow, that was really loud. It's almost kind of like a trumpet.
It is. And this one is also the Kazobo, but we make this one. And we're the only place where you can get a plastic Kazobo, and of course, you can accessorize this Kazobo.
This is gonna be great. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, those are really cool.
And we decided to try something new and fun. So we made a little microphone. It plugs into any amp or speaker. It fits right into the top of your kazoo. And now you have the electric kazoo.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's amazing. Electric kazoo. Oh, that's cool.
So those are just some of our kazoos that we have at Kazooby Kazoo.
Wow, these are absolutely amazing. Oh, I could have fun with all of these. Oh, wow. Look at all of these kazoos. These kazoos are all throughout history. They look pretty awesome, too. Oh, wow, can you see it? Look up there. There's a kazoo that looks like a car. Oh, even a ship. Oh, but look at this. This is the kooky combo one-man band. Well, there's a frying pan, a spatula, a spoon on there, even a really cool kazoo on there. That's really, really cool. They come in all kinds of shapes and sizes and designs. Wow. Look at all this cool stuff in their gift shop. Ooh, we've got some really neat kazoos right here. Look, they're all kinds of shapes. It's a kazoo plane. Well, that's awesome. Oh, and then kazoo train. Oh, that's great. Oh, and a car. Oh, ooh, and even a tractor. Look at that, that's great. Look at this one. It's in the shape of corn. A corn zoo. Not a kazoo, but a corn zoo. Oh, that's really, really cool. Oh, I like all of those. Those are great. Oh, ooh, check this stuff out. Oh, it's a French horn kazoo. That looks absolutely awesome. Oh, look. Oh, that's a pretty cool noise maker, right? Oh, it's like a gear on there. It actually spins with little notches. And there's a piece of wood that actually clicks on every single notch. It makes a really cool sound. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, you know what this is? This is a slide whistle. Check this out. Let's see. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Oh, let's try it again. That makes a really cool sound, right? Oh, well, we've got to get this. Oh, well, let's see what else they've got. Oh, look, it's the kazoos. Oh, look. Well, they've got two zoos. It's a dueling kazoo. Oh, that's cool. Oh, do you remember this? It's the wazoo that has the foghorn on the top. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, they've even got the kazoo bow. This is the loudest kazoo in the world. That's great. Well, maybe we might need to get something a little bit more small and compact. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, like this right here. Do you remember this? It's the wasoogle. It's the kazoo with the bugle horn and the foghorn on it. Oh wow, I think we might need to get one of these. Oh, but what color should I get? Oh wow. There's white ones, there's pink ones, there's green ones. Ooh, well, blue is my favorite color. Maybe we should get this one. Oh, wow. All right. Well, I think we're set. Come on. Let's check these out. Here we go. Let's go.
Wasn't that fun, 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 fun? A big thanks to Kazoo Factory in Beaufort, South Carolina. And thanks for watching Handyman Hal. See you next time. Bye.
We're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do, 'cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
You should play one of these.